to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Police grill suspended Ogun Monarch over public assault. Unguarded remarks. EFCC loses case as court acquits Fani Kayode of forgery charges. China slams US with 15% tariff on coal. LNG. Now the news in detail. The Ogun State Police Command has grilled the embattled Orile of Orile-Ife, Oba Abdulsemiu Adewale Ogunjobi, for assaulting an elderly man, Mr. Areola Abraham, and subjecting him to verbal abuse. A trending video showed Mr. Areola Abraham prostrating before Oba Ogunjobi, who could be heard verbally attacking the elderly man. He also allegedly shoved the man's cap off his head in an humiliating manner. An alleged uncivil conduct that compelled the state government to swiftly suspend him for 6 months. Given the gravity of the incident, the Commissioner of Police CP Lanre Ogunlowo ordered a thorough and discreet investigation into the matter, assuring that the rule of law and fundamental human rights principles in the instant case will be enforced. Oba Ogunjobi and his victim reported at the State Criminal Investigation Department Ilewere on Monday, where their statements were obtained. Chief Superintendent of Police CSP Omolola Odutola, the Police Public Relations Officer of the State Police Command, confirmed this, saying the command condemned any form of assault, harassment, and violence regardless of the individuals involved. CSP Odutola added that the command would ensure that justice is served. In other news, Femi Fani Kayode, a former Minister of Aviation, has been acquitted and discharged of the charge of medical forgery leveled against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). Justice Olubunmi Abike-Fadipe of the Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos, freed the former minister on Tuesday, February 4, 2025, while delivering a ruling on the no-case submission filed by his counsel, Norison Quakers, SAN. Justice Abike-Fadipe held that the prosecution failed to establish a prima facie case against the ex-minister. The judge said Fani Kayode had no case to answer because the prosecution failed to link him to the offense. The judge said, "I've carefully studied the evidence of prosecution witnesses, and I cannot find where the defendants committed the offenses being alleged. As a result, the judge acquitted and discharged the defendants on the alleged offenses." Speaking to journalists after his discharge, Fani Kayode said he is overjoyed that he is finally free because he has been in and out of court for 18 years. On the foreign scene, the Chinese government has moved to impose a 15% tariff on import of liquefied natural gas (LNG) and coal from the United States as a countermeasure to US tariffs. NaijaNews understand that this announcement was made by the Ministry of Finance in Beijing on Tuesday. The ministry further indicated that a 10% tariff would also be levied on oil and agricultural machinery imported from the US, with these measures scheduled to take effect on February 10, 2025. Additionally, Beijing has initiated an antitrust investigation into the American technology company Google. The US tariffs, which are set at 10% on all imports from China, were expected to be implemented shortly after midnight on Tuesday, Washington time, following an order from US President Donald Trump issued on Saturday. Moreover, US tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico, also announced by Trump on the same day, have been postponed for a month due to agreements reached with those countries. In contrast, no such agreement has been established with China. And that ends the news for tonight. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.